Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that TLTon token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, TLTon is the Ondo tokenized version of the iShares 20 plus year Treasury bond ETF, giving stakeholders economic exposure similar to holding TLT and reinvesting any dividends. Ondo tokenized stock enable non-US retail and institutional users around the world to instantly mint and redeem tokenized US stock and ETFs 24 hours a day, 5 days a week with full access to traditional exchanges liquidity. TLTon token total supply is around 210,000 and circulating supply is also 210,000. TLTon token is listed on Gate.io, MEXC, Bitmart, XC.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.